welcome back to another video. Today we are doing an acetone smell. We did this a little while ago, so this is part 2. So let's get started. We are doing Halloween ones.
Halloween. It's disappearing. I'm actually pushing down as hard as I can until it's disappearing. If you saw the part 1, then you saw that this stuff is really cool, and it makes this slimy stuff.
Yeah,
And if you haven't seen it, you should definitely go watch it.
yeah.
Actually pushing down.
This is really cool. We did 3.
Ah.
I think you should just let it go.
Oh. Sounds like it's popping. Why not hand to help you?
Oh yeah.
I'll give you a helping hand.
Look, it's a hand, but it's also like a helping hand to like push it down. Push it down.
Rebecca, you don't need to fall.
It's really cool because we also dried up this slime stuff off camera, and it turns like a lot.
It's plastic. It's basically turned into plastic.
Yeah.
Goodbye hand. Goodbye helping hand.
Do you need a helping foot?
No. Oh, look at that. It looks like a sea monster's
Ew, you
hand.
spray on my hand.
It looks like a sea monster's hand. It's bubbling. It's bubbling.
Oh, look at this foot. Stop chewing this stuff on me. This stuff gets weird. Really cold.
Yeah, it's freezing.
Yeah, when you touch it, it gets freezing cold. So you have to have like styrofoam near you to like rub it on. Because or else it's like,
Can I have a helping hand?
this bow needs a helping hand.
A helping hand for my hand.
That's
This is
funny.
the hand. I need a helping hand for my hand.
This bow needs a helping hand. This stuff is really cool, but you don't want to touch it. How is this bow doing? Oh, look at that. It's all like basic.
I'm touching
No.
it.
If you do touch it, it just gets really cold.
Oh.
It's discriminating this. Like you touch it?
Yeah, my fingers are soaking now.
Push it down on that. Oh. It disintegrates it. See, that's for my finger. Look, I touched this and then I pushed it down. Oh, it just gets slimy on your finger.
I know.
Oh, I think this helping hand is done. Dude, I'm seriously pushing down as hard as I can.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good.
It's disintegrating in my hand. It's seriously.
More. Oh, now it's like default for my hand.
No, I just touched it.
It gets cold when you take your fingers out. Let me see how fast I can do all this in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
So you have to add
15,
on. We're going to have a
16,
lot more slime stuff this time.
17,
Because these are a lot
18,
bigger.
19, 20,
Remember last time we just did like cups and balls?
Try 2.
This time we're doing bones
Try
and
3.
skeletons.
Try 4. Try 5. Try 6. Try 7. 28. Try 9. 30. 31. 32. About 30
Type a
30
helping
seconds.
hand. Give
No,
me
there's no
a
helping hands.
I need another bone to
You
help
can
me
have a
pass
helping
the
crap to bone. Oh.
Dude, look at this slime stuff.
I think. I purposely did that. Let's see.
We're probably gonna start doing more Halloween because it's getting really close to Halloween. It's like one of our favorite holidays.
Mhm.
I'm gonna start doing like more stuff that's like really close. As it gets closer and closer to Halloween, you start doing like more of those like things of holidays. Like this, you see we're doing bones, and I do some like Minecraft mods that are like Halloween, like Minecraft stuff that's Halloween.
Mhm.
I have my Halloween shirt on, so. Oh, when it gets to this, it deteriorates really fast if we push down. At least it was. You take it out and then push it back in, and it's just
Okay, there's 2 more left.
you get the foot, I get. Give me one of them.
Oh, wait, sure. No, give me this, and then here, you take that.
Take what?
That thing. I was just doing this so I could push it down.
So these are our last ones, and then we're gonna have to end
Yep.
off the video. Look at this. No, I touched it. I touched it. It's really cold.
I'm gonna pick up a piece of slime.
Go pick it up. This is how you make slime at home, kids. We said this in our first video. Ew, it actually feels like slime.
Yeah. That's the end of that now.
So this is as you can see, this is what it turned out to be. And then
End it off.
make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.